Okay, I'm live right now.
All right.
All
Join
right.
your live stream.
Guys, everyone, we are live. I hope. I really do hope so. Sahid is here and 100 Lot is here. Nice. Nice. How is everybody doing this morning, guys? Good morning, everyone. 100 Lot, good morning. Hey there. We have a guest celebrity in the stream, guys. Although you still can't see him, but you will hear him.
Can you hear me now? Testing 1 2. Can you hear me?
Did you hear someone, guys? Somebody was talking. Yeah. Hey there, Sasha.
I don't know if they can hear me.
I don't know. Let us know, guys, if you can hear our guest here on the stream. They should be hearing you because desktop audio comes out fine on the OBS, so sounds familiar. All right, so they can hear you. Nice.
Alrighty,
okay.
alrighty.
So from now on, no dirty talk. So
no dirty talk. That's right.
So nothing. Just usual business talk. All right. Trading talk. Yeah.
We can hear you. Nice.
Yeah. So I wanted to pull Methodical's man camera, but it's still like half naked, so we cannot do that right now.
I'm not naked. Come on now.
All right. So guys, today is gonna be gambling day for me, at least. I'm gonna gamble. So guys, I always tell you that never ever YOLO any kind of account because it gets you nowhere. Bad habits, I'm just gonna do exactly the opposite right now. Yeah, I'm just gonna do exactly the opposite because it's Friday.
Exactly the opposite. Alrighty.
Yeah.
Well, I am currently long duck dong.
Methodical man is long duck dong.
A little bit aggressive, but we'll see what happens.
I can actually try to pull your picture, but guys won't be able to see your screen. It will be so small.
I'm just going to take a stab along here. We have a 1 minute inversion, so.
Okay, Methodical man is going long, I think.
We're on the TOPSTEP X this morning, so copy trading across 4 accounts.
There you go. Yeah, it definitely has an inversion here. I'm still waiting. I don't know for what. But
we're hitting that internal liquidity there at 87.50. I'll break even stop.
Oh.
So if we hit the at the internal liquidity 87.50. So then we'll move the stop.
Nice. 87, yeah. 87.50, I see that.
Where's the spaceship and the magnet?
Well, I think there's a good chance to go there. Overall, guys, I think we're still gonna go higher. I'm just a little bit concerned on the 1 hour chart that we have this long wick candle from yesterday. Yeah, it was in the last hour before market close. Yeah, the low of this candle is 159.
We could certainly go lower first. I mean, that's the thing.
Yeah.
I don't really know. This is more aggressive than I normally am, so we'll see what happens.
overall in the big picture, I'm still bullish. I think so I can imagine that this one will go all the way to the 19,000, 20,000 in the next couple of weeks. I think it can do that. There's such a bullish movement all over the markets. I don't know exactly what's happening, but trying to read some fundamentals, and yeah, they say everyone is super optimistic and greedy, so tech companies should be going higher. But
Not looking good here. What's this thing doing? It's pulling back.
oh no, it's pulling back. Yeah. Yeah. Oh no. Oh no.
It's fine. If it closes below the inversion gap, we'll get out and just tuck our tail between our legs.
Joel is asking what's going on.
Now it's created a new swing at 286, so that now will be my break-even point.
286. All right.
So if we get back above 286 there, I will break even stop it. And it either goes or it doesn't.
286 is good. The dog is barking at my neighbor, so that means something.
Oh man.
That's bullish,
my
right?
Dog's asleep. Yeah, it's probably
okay,
bullish.
so the neighbor's dog right outside here in my window started to bark. That's always a bullish. Now two dogs are barking, they're fighting each other, so that's definitely bullish movement. Yeah.
I'd like to see some expansion above that swing if we get it. Doesn't look like it's going to happen.
Yeah. Kind of stuck here for now, but a little bit of a sweep here. I like that it actually swept a little bit liquidity here.
Order filled.
So.
All right, I got stopped out. I went ahead and moved the stop. I was just it's not really going. Probably a bit aggressive there. So we're up $2.20. Let's go.
Oh yeah, that's it. So today, guys, I actually going to try at least 3 times. I bought 3 BULENOX accounts with the 90% discount. So it wasn't like that huge big of a deal. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to blow these accounts away. Hopefully not, but I'm going to go all in, 1 position per account. So my risk is going to be around $1,400 or $1,500 per account for 1 position. So I'm going to YOLO them for trying to go for, well, yeah, 1 to 2 risk to reward should do it. But if I just make like $2,500 ish, it's gonna be fine. I'm gonna keep the account. So there's gonna be a YOLO show soon. I'm gonna share my Quant Tower when we're going to do that. So
YOLO show.
YOLO show, yeah. And I think there's a high chance that we're gonna blow at least 2 accounts. Live stream.
Maybe there's a high chance that you pass 3.
Maybe there's a high chance for that too. Yeah. But you know, BULENOX, I just checked, the codes are still working. I just checked before the stream and the codes were still working. So it's still 90% for the first month, by the way. That's very important because I wasn't really aware of that. Only for the first month is the 90%.
Oh, so this sale is just the first month.
Yeah,
okay.
yeah, just for the first month. So after the second month, it's gonna be $170 something for the 50K account. So 175. So I wasn't aware of that, guys, and sorry if someone bought in a few. I did see some people using my code, but it's just for the first month. Yeah, actually, it wasn't written to anywhere. I just realized when I bought my accounts as well that from the second month is full price, guys. Apex is better than this thing because they give you the discounted price usually from the ongoing month.
I think Apex puts it at 80 the second month.
Oh yeah, that's right. First month was 90%, second month is 80. Yeah, at Apex.
But BULENOX's last 90% sale was lifetime.
When I bought my first account at BULENOX. It was an option 2 account. There was a sale, and I'm still holding that account, and they rebuild me for the same discounted price. So yeah.
You know what? I actually have a BULENOX account too that I could YOLO. I have a fresh eval.
There you go.
Reset at $17. I could actually YOLO that.
There you go. It's Gambling Friday, guys.
I'm getting inspiration from Tom here.
Gambling Friday, you know, $17 for a BULENOX account. What can you get for $17? Actually, a lot, you know. But I know for some people it's a lot of money. I actually understand, but we're traders. We're actually gamblers. So, you know.
I actually heard on the Fed speech yesterday that you can get a cookie for $17.
You can get a cookie for $17. So yeah. I don't know
if you guys heard that, yeah.
I didn't.
An $17 or $18 cookie.
All
right, so no stop loss. How many ticks do we need to pass with 7 contracts?
So, I don't know. Actually, I'm not sure I'm gonna go with 7. I think I'm gonna go with around 5. But I still have to. I want to wait for some clear direction.
So we need 22 points.
Yeah, so there's an intraday trailing on the option 1 account, so I need to make $3,000, but if I can make $2,500, that's also good for me, because I think I'm going to risk like $1,300 or $1,200 per trade. So if I'm aiming for the risk reward 2, as I used to do, then even if it trails me, there's a lower chance if it goes against me that it's going to take out my stop loss. So, I mean, sorry, if it's gonna take me out by trailing. So if I reach my TP, I should be around 2,500, and that's fine because I'm confident that I can make $500 in 4 weeks. So I would be fine with $2,500 if I can make it.
We're YOLOing, sir. You got to make the whole 3K. Let's go.
Oh, so okay. So the whole 3K. All right, guys. Let's go for the. Let's go. You know, let's do it. The guest is Methodical Man, Greg. Methodical Man is the guest of honor. Joined the stream. Yeah.
Tom will be on my stream for New York.
Oh yeah, I will be on the stream drinking beer. Yeah.
In his penguin suit.
In the penguin suit. And that's it. We tried to do the live camera, but it's Discord, and I don't know how these things are working. And for now, you guys can only hear Methodical Man's voice, but he has a charming deep baritone voice, so you should be fine with that.
That 1 minute inversion's holding, but I don't know if I trust it.
Yeah, it's his channel link. Let's send his channel link. Methodical. He's not live right now, but I think. But at the afternoon, he's gonna be. Sorry, in the New York morning, I'm gonna send his channel link into the chat. So, just a second. How do I do this? Oh, here. That's his channel. He's streaming also every day. He's awesome. He's doing most like the New York sessions. He helped me out a lot with the channel, with the streams, a lot of advice and inspiration. So yeah, kind of a community stream right here.
What time of day do you normally take your trades in New York or in London there, Tom?
In London, well, if I have some kind of a setup, I can do one before the London Open if there is a clean entry, or which means between 2 and 3 a.m. or, you know, after London Open, as ICT would say it. We know that I'm not going to say that, but as ICT would say it, between 3 to 4 a.m. usually there's a setup sometimes. I mean, yeah, there's a high probability. So in the next 1.5 hours, there should be one setup at least coming up. So, but since there's a very tight range this morning, Like we're talking about 10 points, 15 points. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe have to wait until the London Open. I'm not sure. You're not sleeping too much, right? Methodical man.
Well, yeah, I normally sleep. I don't know. You know, once you get to a certain age, you wake up in the middle of the night to pee. I'm sure everybody knows that.
I'm getting there.
And then
I'm getting there. I'm there. Yeah.
It's hard to go back to sleep at that point.
It's very hard. I know.
So
Yeah. I'm at that age, so I'm definitely getting up at the middle of the night. I'm sleeping very bad. I'm very bad. I'm like up for just a small noise in the apartment. I'm like up like what the hell happened? So I just can't sleep normally. I don't know how others do it, but I can't.
So what I'm looking for is I'm waiting. I would like to wait for us to sweep the Asia high or the low. Preferably the low for me first would be nice.
Yeah.
But I usually just take whatever setup presents itself first. So I'd like for us to sweep that 250 area first and then maybe take a trade back up to the 309, 310 area. But we already have an inversion on the 1 minute, a bullish inversion. I'm just not sure. It's kind of 50-50, but we do have equal highs up at 310 on the 1 minute. They are right next to each other. So there's not like a huge draw there. I don't put a whole lot of weight on it, but they are there. So I think if we inverse that 15 minute, you know, close above 296, it pretty much can give you a lot of confidence that we'll take out the 310 first. So
yeah,
that might be what I wait for. We're kind of bouncing between 2 15-minute gaps right now. So
yeah, it's pretty much a coin flip right now. Oh, somebody subscribed. Kelvin, hey there. Welcome to the stream and the channel. Where's my sound pad? I want to give you an applause. There you go. Welcome. David, good morning. So it's pretty much a little bit of a coin flip right now. I don't even know which side to favor. The one thing though, on the 15-minute chart, I do like this candle from the Asia session, this bearish pin bar with the long wick. Those candles are also like magnets, I think. So those candles like to be taken out. And I do like that. Yeah.
That's a wick inside of that 15-minute fair value gap too, so it's going to be a nice pool of liquidity, like you're saying.
That's something that there is definitely some liquidity on that area, I think. So no, not that. So I'm going to put a little bit of a bag of money there. Should be some liquidity above that wick. And what else? Yeah. Otherwise, yeah, I don't know. It swept liquidity on
Greg,
the
I would think that I would think we take out the all-time highs today. I would probably be bullish.
Yeah, it's Friday, so yeah. Fridays
Do
are...
you have non-farm payroll today, what, like 8:30?
Yeah, 8:30. So that's going to shake the market, but then I think we can see a rally to make all-time highs again, I think. But the only thing that concerns me is this candle from 4 p.m. yesterday with the long wick. I don't like that over there. It can go down to the 200 level or even lower, consequent encroachment as they say, or even lower to take the liquidity out down there. That's the only thing I don't like. Otherwise, I do believe that there is liquidity above the 310. So, yeah, pretty much ranging for now. Maybe London Open will give us something.
So if you guys were going to send the eval in one direction right now, which direction would you pick?
Sorry? What?
I said if someone was going to send an eval right now, which direction would we pick?
Which direction? I would go bullish. I would go bullish right now. Maybe it's not the wisest decision, but we had a little bit of a liquidity sweep. Now it can just shoot a little bit higher, but I still don't see my entry. Everything, I use some moving averages, of course, which is not mandatory for entering, but everything is congested. Nothing is pointing nowhere. We are consolidating. Khalid, Tom, what is that gap? Which gap? I don't know which gap you're referring to. Chart looks weird. Maybe you guys are on the June contract. We are still on the March contract. There was a rollover. Not sure if that's what you're referring to. My NQ is at 500. That's because you're on the June contract. So the June contract shows 539. The March contract is still at 289. That's the issue. I checked. There you go. You can see the CME Group website. There is still more volume on the March contract for now. That's for Thursday, March 7. As you can see, volume is going to the June contract, but look at that. We're still having more trades on the March contract. So that's why we are trading the March contract today. Still, but I think from Monday the volume is definitely going to shift. So
she's starting to push now.
Oh yeah, he's pushing. 310. Should I go all in, guys? Should I do it? Should I blow one account here? I don't even know how to do that. Should I go all in? I'm looking for, like, what would be the risk?
Yeah, I don't think it's horrible.
1 to 2 risk to reward. I have to go in with 6 contracts on the BULENOX account. All right, guys, I'll try to go in with 6 contracts on the BULENOX account. How about that? I just have to make sure I choose the right account. Okay, 6 contracts in. There you go, first account. This is gonna be crazy. What have I done? You know,
ES has kind of been glued to the VWAP. Just had that one dip below at 7.
Oh no.
So
6 contracts. Oh my god, what have I done? What have I done? I'm already down $600. Uh-oh. Maybe I'm gonna buy one more, so that's gonna be 4 accounts that I blow. I was a little bit aggressive, I know. I'm gonna put my limit to the 310. I mean the take profit to 310, and the rest of it I don't care. There's no stop loss here, guys, because it's gonna take me out anyways. So that no need for stop loss on this right now. I'm just gonna aim for the 310, and I'm not sure if you guys can see the whole. Oh yeah, you can see. As you can see, 6 mini contracts.
What's up, Frank?
Hey Frank, hey Marco, good morning. I see 300 and 428. Can you explain what to look for? Well, I lost my mind because I'm
Should
trading.
be 248 there, Frank.
Oh yeah,
and
yeah,
then
yeah.
310.
Yeah. We're looking for 310 on the March contract. If any of you guys are rolled over to June contract, we are still on the March contract. So I'm just gonna go back here. I don't want to look at my quant hour chart right now. I'm just gonna look at TradingView. It's much more comfortable. Yeah.
I think you're okay though, Tom. Really. Yeah, no worries, Frank. You got it marked out right though.
Oh. Hmm. Let's see what happens here. It's just one account, guys. What can go wrong? I just buy one more, right?
I think it's fine. We want to see the 15-minute close above here. If we close above on the 15-minute, I think 310 is imminent. So what do we got? 10 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. Just needs to close above 96.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I like this high here at 310. I definitely like that. You know, if it takes me out, then we can definitely look for sell side at 248-ish area. So,
Frank, Tom is YOLOing an account here, and plus he trades a little bit different than I do. So,
oh yeah.
Yeah, he's not waiting for the one or the other to be taken. But there was a 1 minute inversion here that's holding in a 15-minute gap. So
yeah, so if anyone is new and dropping in, welcome everyone. I just bought a few. I bought 3 BULENOX accounts with the discount price 90% down, and I'm going to YOLO. I'm going to try to not blow them, but full size I'm going in. So that's it. One account with one trade. That's what I'm doing. One trade per account. That's it. That's what I'm doing. Never do this. I always tell this. Never do this. I'm just doing it. There you go. Oh no, it's gonna take me out. Now it's over. Actually, I think
do like YOLOing them at the New York Open just because of the volatility.
Yeah. Oh no. Now it's gonna be a massacre. I'm actually thinking to buy one more. So go with 4, maybe even 5, since it's Friday. And $17 for a BULENOX account is actually a no-brainer. So
speed running. That's right.
yeah, we're speed running. I don't even know how this looks like right now. Let me check it. Which account is this? Yeah, so the auto liquidation is now up to 47,647, but we'll see. I just need 20 points and we're fine.
I'd probably put like $50 on this that you pass in this trade.
Oh my god,
Yeah.
a gambling in gambling. So
I'm pretty confident this thing's going to 310.
what do you guys want? You guys want to see the Quant Tower chart or TradingView? Actually, it's the same. So maybe TradingView is a little bit user friendly. I like Quant Tower too. I want to learn more about these charts in Quant Tower. Actually, the way the candles are printing in Quant Tower are better than in TradingView. There's a little bit of a lag on TradingView, so you don't actually see how they are printing. Those few milliseconds, I think they can give you an extra insight of how you should expect the candles to move if you are scalping on a lower time frame, especially at high volatility events. So TradingView is awesome, but you know, for scalping it's not the best, I think.
I agree, Greg. I like it. I like seeing the actual trade myself too.
Yeah, so all right guys, I'm going to keep it here for you guys to be able to celebrate or cry with me, you know. No, we're not gonna cry. We're just gonna buy more accounts. That's it. Sooner or later, it should work out, you know.
Well, if we close above 96 on the 15-minute, I'm going to look for a smaller setup to join you along to take out the 310. So,
yeah, I like that 310. I would really like price to take out that 310.
Got about 6 minutes left on this 15-minute candle.
I can also add one more contract to this, but if we close above the... Actually, yeah, if we close above 96.75 or 96, maybe I can add one more because I can go with 7 contracts. So I have one more to add.
There's also a large volume imbalance on the 15-minute chart right at that 311 area as well, if you trade imbalances.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, I can look for that.
Was tapped into earlier on that wick, but it wasn't mitigated completely. It's looking pretty good.
Actually,
nobody breathe.
Actually, the thing is that this price is not going to get me to fund it. Let me measure it again, just a second. It's going to give me $2,400. So
yeah,
I should be adding one more contract, actually, at least one more. I should be adding 2 more, but I cannot add more. So, but I just told if I can get $2,500. Well, yeah, I know. The greatest thing would be to make it, but I have to trade 5 days. I think BULENOX requires 5 trading days, right? So
yeah, they do. But typically, they would. Sometimes you can submit it in 1 day and it would pass. But
so what I
this
told
is one of those things.
Yeah.
I think I would like to see a little pullback here just for me to be able to get in. That sucks because I was long off that 1 minute inversion and I just didn't trust it.
Yeah, so I thought that maybe I can add one more contract, but that would only give me around $200 in the final profit. I would be still around $2,600 in profit. And honestly, guys, if I would be lucky, because this would be pure luck, if I would be lucky to get to $2,400 on this account with this trade, I might be just leave this alone and move on to the next accounts, because $2,400 and I just have to make $600 in the next couple of days or weeks. I'm confident I can pass this account, I think, with micros. So what I'm gonna do, if this one hits take profit, I'm just gonna leave this as a safety, that at least I made something good today, and I'm gonna continue with the rest of the accounts, and that's it. Although I'm not sure, because if it goes against me, well, you know what? F it. I'm just gonna add one more contract. What do you guys think? Should I add one more?
I would.
It's pulling back. Okay, I'm adding one more contract. There you go. One more contract. Let me see how much profit this would give me. So yeah, if we take out the 310, this is going to give me $2,600. $2,600. So that's still not, yeah.
We pushed above the whole number there. We don't usually hold above the whole number on the first push, so this pullback seems fine to me.
Or what do you think? If it goes higher, should it take out the 11 or maybe go to 12 maybe? Because if I put the TP, if I put the TP to 12, then I can pass this account in one move, I think.
Yeah, I think that's fine.
Let me see.
All right, I'm going to join you if we get this 30-second inversion. It's going to be very aggressive, but we're setting up on a 30-second long inversion here. There's no 1 minute, but I'm going to join you on a 30-second. I really wanted the 15 to close, but I think it's going to go to 310.
I'm going to have to move my TP to 1250 if I want to pass this account. At least to 1250.
Order filled.
I'm not sure if it, you know, many times I see, like in the London session, it just spikes up with one tick if we are lucky, and then it just reverses and drops down. So I don't know. Actually, to be safe, I'm gonna go with 0975 and that's it. but you know, let's see.
Yeah, we'll see what happens.
Yeah. I'm already locked into $48,967. So it's the trailing threshold is following me. It's intense.
I want to see
guys.
this 15-minute close above here. We got less than a minute. Looks like it should.
Rich Goodwin, hey there, he's saying I take the money. Well, that's actually also a good opinion. I bought 3 accounts. I might buy one more today. We're celebrating Friday, and the purpose of this celebration is to YOLO these accounts. So either I'm just gonna blow it in one trade, or I'm gonna try to get as near as I can to being funded on this one or the other one. So 1 trade per account, guys. 1 trade per account, full contract size. That's it. Full contract. And BULENOX gave this for $17, guys. And today the codes are still active. Just saying. They're still doing it, but only for the first month. And I didn't look that, so only for the first month you get the discount.
All right, I am long with you here. I'm going to be moving stop to break even if we get back above that swing high. So
Nice.
I'd like to see some expansion back above the swing high there. Should go here.
Well, it's pretty close. That's why I put my final TP to 0975, just in case if it would be having a hard time breaking that level. I would be fine by getting out with less than 1 tick there. So good morning, P Trading.
Break even, and oh well.
You moved to break even. That's not good, man.
Yeah, it stopped me out.
Every time you put that to break even, it just stops you out.
Well, I don't like playing these 30-second gaps either.
Man, this is interesting. If this one would go here, we would definitely take out the 310. If this one would just go above, yeah, all we need is to go above the 303, and that's 100%. It should be go over the 310 level, but the problem is that the 300 level is, I mean, price is reacting to this 300 level for now, and I have no idea what the hell is going on.
But we are in OTE, but I think because we inversed the 15-minute, we should be moving higher. We'll see.
So my stop out level is at $49,000, and right now the balance, I can show you actually the balance because you guys, okay, it's locked. Sorry, I have to unlock it. Unlock, okay, and I can show you the account of what is happening right now. Hold on. I don't know how I can pull this here. I can pull this here. Let me see what you guys see here. It's getting intense. So there you go. The liquidation threshold is at $49,055, right now. And yeah, that's how we're doing.
I think we're okay here. It's just waiting for the open. I think it runs that 310 area pretty quickly there. I'd be kind of surprised if it doesn't, but
you know, if it would spike down at the open, I would still looking for that 310 level, so I might re-enter with another account if it takes me out here, because I really like the 310 level. So we'll see. The thing is that with a few points it can wipe me out real easy, but I don't care. So no stop loss here. Guys, no stop loss.
yeah, Muhammad, I think the 287 level was a decent long opportunity. We had a 1 minute inversion just below that. So that was a decent spot right there for you if you'd taken the long.
Where should I put this? There's a thing I can... No, this way you guys can't see it. There is some option like always on top. Oh, there you go. So now you guys can see it. So yeah, 49.55. Is the stop out level.
I'm waiting. I may jump in long with you here. Just going to see what happens at the 3 a.m.
Oh no. Hey Tessie, how you doing? Nice to see you, Tessie. Muhammad, hey there. Wanted to join you along from, because I saw, yeah. Yo, this is a gambling stream right now, guys. We're YOLOing. Actually, I'm YOLOing. Maybe Methodical Man is doing the same too. But I'm YOLOing at least 3 BULENOX accounts. 1 trade per account. Right now, as you can see, I'm doing 7 mini contracts. 7 mini contracts. And I might buy 1 more account, so there might be 4 BULENOX accounts that I'm gonna waste today. We'll see how it goes. That's it. Not gonna go crazy here, that's for sure. Partially it's for the show. Partially this is the way I celebrate that we're here. I don't know, but yeah, why not? Usually, I mean, I don't want to jinx it, but usually I can make at least 1 trade out of 4. So I should have at least 1 BULENOX account getting close to the 3,000 profit target. So this first one started out real nice, but now it's just coming back.
We traded back into a 3-minute fair value gap there. You kind of want to see that gap hold.
Yeah. London Open is less than 8 minutes away. Joaquin, hey there. Nice to see you, man. Everything is fine. We have a guest, Methodical Man, in the stream. He's not streaming right now, I think. He's not streaming, but he's going to stream in the New York session, and I'm gonna join him as well. There's his channel. Go subscribe to his channel as well. He's a super nice guy, helped me out a lot with my channel and the streams. He's trading every day. He's a much better trader than any one of us, and he's currently managing at least, well, as far as I know, he's having like 50 funded accounts or even more.
No, not 50.
So, well, yeah, it's 55, but who cares? So yeah, he's doing very good. He's doing very good, and he knows ICT Michael Huddleston in person. You know, that's actually true. They used to go down to Florida, and you know,
Yeah, we used
Anyway,
to hang out together, all the time.
yeah, and they spent Christmas and the holidays, Thanksgiving. Last time he was there in town, so he's really much into everything, and that's why I try to be nice with him. Maybe he can introduce me to ICT one day. So yeah, he's a pro. Check him out. But really, he's doing great stuff on his stream.
Tom's completely kidding, guys. I don't know
No.
Michael Huddleston.
But a lot of other people, man. Don't be shy. Tell the people. No, actually,
Yeah, I just got a subscriber too. Who was that? Let's check that out.
there you go.
Oh man, I missed it.
There you go.
It popped up and went away too fast.
Oh,
So thank
well,
you to whoever just subscribed.
So we'll try to do more of these streams, hopefully, and all that we're gonna do is we're gonna take the opposite trades, and after some time, you guys will know who's the better trader, right? No, I'm just kidding, of course. I have this dark humor. I like to insult everyone. That's what I do.
Frank, yeah, if you look to your left there, it's there's a bearish one. I don't know if Tom can bring up the 15-minute chart right quick.
15-minute chart, okay.
But yeah, there's a bearish 15-minute gap that we're hanging out in somewhere
This
over
one?
there.
This
that we
guy?
just inversed.
Oh yeah, so there's no, this one, bearish gap. You mean this gap here?
So I don't know, Tom, because I can't see your screen in real time. Tassie, thank you.
Oh yeah, of course. You can't see it in real time. There's a bearish gap right there.
Yeah, there it is. Yeah, right there.
Okay, so there's a bearish gap.
That
we closed above that gap, and there is a lot of money in the bag right here. We don't know whose money is that, but we're pretty much sure there is some money over there. So that's what we're looking for.
Oh, Greg subscribed too. Thanks, Greg. Jacqueline, thank you. All of you guys and gals. We appreciate the subscriptions.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Go check out Methodical Man's channel. Go subscribe. He trades differently than I am, but that's the beauty of it because that's why trading is so awesome. Everybody trades differently. And yeah. But today,
you can do that, but you can go long and short with the same prop. It doesn't really matter in the evaluation. But at the end of the day, if your trading skills not to where you can get to a payout yet, then it's not really going to benefit you. So just keep that in mind.
Good morning, Zoltan, fellow Hungarian trader. Let me greet you in our historical language. Jó reggelt, üdvözöllek. Yeah.
Uh-oh, she's pulling back, Tom.
Oh no, man. Oh no. I know.
Starting to make me sweat over here.
I wanted to have a good Friday, guys. I don't know. I just can't do this anymore. It's just too much. It's too much stress, guys.
Well, I'm long on 5 accounts, so.
You're long? Okay, then, guys. Methodical Man is long on 5 accounts, so. Total max allocation. Well, I'm gonna tell mine. I have 2 funded accounts overall, 150k with TOPSTEP and the 50k with TOPSTEP. Both of them with TOPSTEP. I have no other funded accounts at this moment. I'm building up evaluation accounts with BULENOX, my funded futures, and Apex for now, but I'm gonna add Take Profit Trader and Elite Trader too, maybe from next week. But I have 2 funded accounts, both from TOPSTEP. Methodical Man has all the companies. He has funded accounts everywhere. But
yeah, I think my count is like 31 currently.
31.
But
okay.
Yeah, keep in mind that's not 31 accounts that I've gotten to payouts. Those are just funded that we're working on. So
all right, see you guys next week. Go to Methodical Man. All right.
Whatever, Tom. Come on.
Yeah.
And they're all well, actually, out of the 31, we have let's see, 11 or 25Ks, and the rest are 50Ks.
Yeah, he has balls. He's doing it big time. How do I get a funded account? Francis, it's very simple. You can choose some of these prop firms. They are they're all good technically, and you have to pass a challenge first. So if you're brand new into these funding companies, first you have to do a challenge or evaluation where you have to, for example, on a 50K account that we're doing right now, you have to go to $53,000, and then you will get a funded account. That's the way to do it if you're brand new in this business. So
Good morning, Zoltan. I want to see right here at 3 a.m. Let's get a spike right above the 304 area. I think we run to 310 right at open.
okay, 5 seconds until London open. 2, 1. London is open. Come on, baby. London open.
It's got to get above that wick there.
I'm scared, guys. I'm super scared. I know. Oh no, this account is gonna get blown, or not. But you know, if it stays above, if it would break above this congestion area right here, then I think the 310 level is gonna be booked almost 100%. But we have to get out from this small congestion area. Copy. Oh, don't copy, man. If you know, I'm gambling this morning, so this trade looks good. I mean, officially I would take this trade, but right now I'm just oversizing purposefully. So what I'm doing right here is something you should never do, especially if you're new in prop trading. Oh my God, it's gonna take me out. No. Oh no. Oh no. I'm gonna get liquidated here. What's the liquidation threshold? It's still at 49.
You have low resistance liquidity below, so I still think it takes out that 310 area first. But she might want to be dirty. We'll see
I think she will. I think she will be. It is what it is, guys. You know, we can't always win. But
I think you're okay. We just got to get back above the 304, 303s here.
If it gets above that, then 310 should be all right.
We should run there quickly. I like the wick on the bottom of this 3-minute candle here.
Yeah, that one looked good. That one looked good. By the way, guys, if you like what you see, just push the like button and subscribe. You know, and check out Methodical Man's stream as well. I'm going to put him in the chat again. He's our guest of honor today on the stream. He's managing. Really, I mean, he's managing 30-something funded accounts, so he's really into this. We trade differently, different style, but we all here to make money. You know, that's it.
Joey Freedom, what's up?
So right now he popped into my stream. Maybe. And in the New York session, I'm gonna be insulting Methodical Man on his stream. Yeah.
Come on, just get above that wick and let's go.
Come on, we only need 10 points here. This is. I'm gonna throw out my coffee. I don't need coffee anymore. This is too much stress for me this morning.
I just want to see it get above 303.
Yeah, if we break through the 303 level, we should be fine for 310, but this one can be a dirty girl. Yeah. My liquidation threshold on the account is $49,055. It's only a few points, so if it drops a few points, then this account is gone for good. But, you know, this is trading. This is trading for you. What can we do? You know.
When you're on the new contract.
Yeah, you're on the new contract.
Over to the new one.
Yeah. So just a quick update for you guys on the screen. You can check the CME Group website, and you will see that as for yesterday, you can still see that the March contract has more volume, but the June contract is getting well. Yesterday it was very slow. I'm suspecting that today they're already doing more, but you can see the difference. That's why we're still on the March contract, basically. So, oh, where am I? Here.
Yeah, it is non-farm payroll today.
Yeah. So I think most of the traders on Friday, I still believe that the most of the volume is going to be traded on the March contract. So that's why. But from Monday, I think everybody's going to roll over to the June contract.
All right, Tom, it might be your time here in a moment.
Let's hope. Let's hope. But I'm not going to put on the penguin suit just yet. So
I need 318 on mine to pass.
what? $318?
No, 318.
Oh, the 318 price.
318.
Okay.
So,
Guys, we only need like 10 points on this one. 10 points. It's really intense. Push the like button, subscribe, check out Methodical Man's stream as well. It's in the chat. And he's gonna be on in New York session. He also streams every day.
If you blow your account, you just start over. That's all.
Yeah.
Start over with a new eval.
Yeah. The thing is, right now, if you can get an evaluation account from multiple prop firms, the cheapest one right now is BULENOX, but only for the first month. It's $17 for a 50K account. So if you're not sure what to do, but if you want to dip your toe into these kind of accounts, you can buy a really cheap one at BULENOX. If you use the code, you can use my code or Methodical Man's code. It's in the description down there. You register through the link and they're going to give you a 90% discount. That's the cheapest one right now at this moment as we're streaming. Otherwise, there are very good discounts at Apex and which one has good discount for it? If you are new and if you want to spare some money, maybe you should not go to My Funded Futures now, because really the cheapest one is BULENOX today. So chances are, and it's no offense to anyone, chances are high that you're going to blow the account in 4 weeks anyway. I'm sorry to say that, but this is reality. But for $17, you can really check out how things are going. And, best case, you can still pass it. And that's it.
All right, I like this push here.
Yeah,
we
me
should
too.
get some speed above this wick now.
Me too. Yeah, me too. Guys, it's 7 mini contracts. I'm gonna lose my temper here. No, I'm not actually. We're YOLOing accounts today, guys. Gamble day, gambling day.
You're in at 291. I'm in at 296.
You're in 296. If this one can break through the 303, there is a at least 70% chance
Here we go.
that we're gonna break through the 310s. So come on.
This should go quickly here.
It has to go. It has to go quickly. Come on, baby. Just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Push those likes. Come on. I'm gonna blow some air on the screen. Hold on. It's not working, man. Hold on. I have a notepad here. I'm gonna try to. Come on. Nothing. It's not working out. We need.
If I see weakness, I'll have to take mine off, but I need 318.50 to pass mine.
I want to see. Oh, look at that! Look at this dirty. Let's see.
It's fine. Give it a second.
Liquidation is now at 49,650.
It's Tom's waving something in the air.
No, I'm trying to push some air into the monitor screen. Maybe it will help the candles go higher. I'm not sure.
The proper way to do it is to hover your mouse over it and push it
I have
up.
a better. What if I turn the monitor upside down? Would that help? I think that can help. Gravity, if I turn the monitor upside down, it should be helping. I think.
There's no way it doesn't take out the 310. 318, now that's a different story. course, you don't want to say that too soon. So will you pass at 310, Tom? Or
no, I won't. I won't.
Pass
I'm gonna have $2,600, but I would be happy if I would have one account with $2,600. I'm still gonna have 4 weeks to do that $400, so I'm pretty confident that I can do that even with micros. So I'm gonna put the account away as a lucky account, and I'm gonna blow the rest of the accounts. So
we're possibly putting in a 1 minute order block here as well if we close above 308.
Come on, baby. We just need 5 points, 4 points. Come on. Let's go. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Ah, there you go. There you go.
18. Let's go. Boom. I got it too. Let's go.
We did that.
Too. $3,080.
There you go.
Told you, Tom. There was no worries.
Yeah. Another applause.
No need to worry there.
I should have, if I would have put my TP to 12, I would have passed this account. Man.
Tom, I told you 12 was going to hit, man. You asked, and I said yes.
I know you said. I know you said yes. Now I'm stuck with $2,590. But you know what, guys? I'm grateful for the universe that this one turned out as a lucky account. So I'm going to leave this account. I'm not going to touch it. I'm going to put this away for rainy days. I still have some other accounts that I can blow away. So let me just go. Why can't I change the accounts here? Because
thanks, DJ. We appreciate that.
Okay, so the next account, fresh account here with another $50,000. There you go. So we can do this. We can do this.
Go back and look at that 1 minute inversion. That was like the perfect entry, and I was long from down there. And I don't know, I talked myself out of it. I was long from 282. And I talked myself out of it for just a few points. But yeah.
What am I doing?
Goes back to trusting your read.
And now I feel YOLO, guys. I mean, sorry, FOMO. I feel FOMO. I feel absolutely FOMO. I'm like $410 away. And we were talking about this with Methodical Man. Like, if I would have put my TP to 1250, I would have passed the threshold. But because, I don't know, I saw many times before that, especially in London session when we were going for some highs, to be taken out. Sometimes it just goes there with 1 or 2 ticks and then turns around, misses my TP with 1 tick or 2 ticks and then makes a double top or double bottom and then boom, goes the other way. So that was my fear. That's why I put my TP just 1 tick below the high, because it did to me so many times in London session. It just turns around and boom, goes down. But now, this time, Methodical Man was absolutely right. He was definitely expecting. I was thinking about that too, that this one should push at least a few points higher, which it did. And now I feel the FOMO, but I'm glad that this account actually turned out fine.
Joke yes, I use IFVGs. I'm loving them. The 1 minute IFVG just after 2 a.m. If you go back and look to the left, I mean, that was a great entry. Based on my rules, it would have been a break-even stop anyway because we created a swing and it came back and retested. In London, I am kind of testing out maybe not moving the stop so quickly, but I use the IFVGs and I love them. Very high win rate. I'm running at like an 86, 87% win rate with those. So liking those.
But what a trade. And let me check what's happening on TradingView. Let's see the bigger picture. So we're still bullish. Yesterday's high, I think it's an all-time high, right? Yeah.
Yes.
It's an all-time.
Yesterday's high was not all-time high.
No, it was not. Okay, sorry. So all-time high is at
380, 379,
370, 377.75. I'm going to put. By the way, guys, I'm so glad. I've never seen this many people on the stream before. Thank you so much for being here. And if you like the stream, please subscribe to the channel. We're gonna have some shows like this in the future. and also follow Methodical Man. I'm gonna paste his channel into the chat. He's going to stream in the New York session. That's his channel. Go follow him, subscribe, because he's an awesome trader. He manages more. I mean, I have only 2 funded accounts, but he has like 30 something, right? That's correct. I mean, no joke. You have like 30 something.
It's 31, I think.
31. Yeah. There you go. Methodical Man is 31 funded accounts, guys. And yeah, so go check him out.
This thing is going previous day highs in sights right here.
Oh yeah, it's going. We have a high here at. We have buy side at 340. We have a high on the. I'm looking at the 5 minute. I'm looking at a 5 minute wick. We have a fair value gap above 340. So if somebody is still holding, I mean, if somebody is still holding this, and if I go down to the 1 minute chart, there are like 2 things going on right now. No 2 things. One thing, we have a volume imbalance down there at 321. So if you guys want to take along to the 340s, in my personal opinion, there is a good chance, at least with a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, because this was a very strong move. I think it should continue to 340. It should be tapping into this volume imbalance at 321. If it goes lower,
trading.
Yeah.
Thank you for your subscription. Sorry, didn't mean to interrupt.
Oh no. That's all I wanted to say. So it should be repricing the 321 level, and below that there's a fair value gap. This should be holding, so your stop loss should be below this gap if you want to enter. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. Should I enter this trade? I'm not sure. I want to see.
I'm not taking the long. I'm actually looking. So I would wait. This is my opinion.
Yeah.
I'm watching the 3 minute chart, and if we close above that gap at 308, I would look for a short to the Asia low at 248. If we hold that gap, then I think we continue higher. So I think we're too high up to enter a long here, in my opinion.
Yeah.
We're in premium, so we don't want to be longing in premium.
Yeah.
So if you're not already long, you shouldn't be longing, in my opinion.
Yeah, and if you're holding, I think if you can take some partials, and put your stop a little bit higher, and you can trail this. But I would like to see, for example, if I would like to enter, I would like to see price go down into this bigger gap here, and I would be looking for an entry in this gap. That's all I wanted to add.
Yeah, that seems okay. I'm just watching the 3 minute here. If we close below on the 3 minute, I'm going to take a short. So I do trade live on YouTube's Serdar. I trade live 5 days a week, 9:15 to usually like about 3 o'clock. I stream in London 2 days a week, just Monday and Friday. So Tom will be in my stream today for New York as well.
I'm just going to make a real quick phone call. Just give me a minute and I'll be right back.
Yeah, Jacqueline, that's the thing I'm working on is the IFVGs during London. It seems like if you follow, you can't really follow the same rules as you do during New York, right? Because then you end up getting stopped out more. So you almost have to be a little more patient with it. Mohammed, higher time frame supply zone. Yeah, I agree. I mean, we're certainly bullish looking, but yeah, I trade New York 5 days. Certainly bullish looking here, but I do think there is a short to be had if it offers the opportunity. I don't feel like today's a day where we leave the Asia low intact. I could be wrong, but we are in discount. I'm sorry, we're up here in premium. So if we inverse, we close below 08 on the 3 minute chart, I will take a short and I will target the 248 and I'll probably scale at 289. So we'll see what happens here. So we did just tap into a 5-minute bearish fair value gap to the upside there. London is a little different for me as far as my style goes. I traded a little different. I really use that Asia range to my advantage, and I do pretty well with it. So, yeah, that's right, Muhammad. Probably 65 to 70% of the days, the Asia low and high is not left intact. So, you know, that's 6 to 7 out of 10 days. It's not a bad ratio there. Now, I'm only going to do it if a major level is inverse. So 3-minute, I'm going to use the higher time frame, which I consider the 3-minute being a little higher than what I use with IFEGs. So if we inversed on the 3-minute, the 2-minute, the 1-minute, then I would take it.
All right, guys, I'm back.
So
okay, so let me delete this. So this was repriced, this volume imbalance. Now we're in this gap. I'm still bullish. I mean, I feel that this is still going to continue. Just looking at the 5-minute, there is a bearish order block on the 5-minute, which starting from 346. Let me see. The open is 345.75. Bearish order block on the 5-minute, which is here. I always say that order blocks, from my perspective, order blocks are always good targets because price likes to mitigate them, or just go back to those areas. And we have a nice wick on the left here. We have an order block right there to the left before that. So you guys do what you like to do. I'm still waiting. I don't know what I'm gonna do here, but I'm still feeling this is still bullish. That's what I feel, but I'm not sure.
This is when you're gonna see the difference in the strategies.
Yeah,
and that's fine.
Yeah. So
There's nothing wrong with that. There's not a right way. There's not a wrong way.
Absolutely, and
both be right.
That's why I do like trading, because Methodical Man has different approach. I have different entry model, but everybody's right in their own way, and this is why it's so awesome. So I'm not in a trade. I'm gonna let you guys know if I enter.
Somehow I deleted everything off my chart. I don't know how I did that.
I still feel some FOMO that why didn't I put the TP to 12.50? Oh my god. No, I should not.
We told you it was going to hit.
Come on. I know you told. I know. I know.
Yeah, I hate doing that too. When I'm YOLOing, I just YOLO it. Like you saw me there, like I needed the 18.
Yeah.
It's either hitting the 18 or it's bust. I'm not, that's kind of the way I do it. But I mean, so far this thing's not really showing a willingness to go lower.
Yeah, this one is so. As long as this small gap on the 1 minute, this is like, I consider this as support. I know ICT also says something similar, that these gaps are acting like support, which they are, I think. So I think this is kind of, if it would trade below this gap, if it closed down, then yeah, I think we should look for some swing lows to be taken out. But for now, I consider this as support. But we'll see. We just technically stopped here.
5 minutes.
5 minutes?
5 minute equal highs. Yeah, they're relative.
Yeah.
I mean, I guess if you're looking at, just depends on how you're looking at it. Like I said, we are bullish. This thing could go either way. This is where I kind of sit on my hands. I don't take an entry here, but if this is your entry, we've certainly shifted structure.
Miss Healthy FX, bonjour. Naz Scalp God. Oh my God. Thank you so much for the tip there, my man. The two best streamers on the tube. The two, I want to say YouTube, but on the tube, man. No give up, definitely. Thank you so much. Huge applause. Thank you. Well, actually, how did they say in the movie, in The Specialist with Sylvester Stallone? I'm the rigger, you're the trigger. No, you're the rigger, I'm the trigger. So
I
don't know. But anyway, Methodical Man, I'm just learning, I'm a humble trader here. Methodical Man, he's managing lots more accounts than I am. And if somebody is new, let me just paste his stream. He's not streaming at this moment, but he's going to stream in New York. This is his YouTube channel. Go check him out, subscribe. He really helped me a lot with my stream and my channel. And he's trading differently, but that's the best thing. Everybody trades differently.
Yeah, there's no right or wrong way.
Yeah. So
well, we both took that long there, so there you go. We were in the same trade. I was a little bit later than you. Yeah.
That's Streamlabs. All right. So I didn't know if it was set on or not, but thank you for the donation. Okay. This one is still looking to go higher. So today, the plan is I bought 3 BULENOX accounts, and today is gambling day. What we're gonna do, actually, I'm definitely doing it. I'm going to gamble away these accounts. This account that you can see on the screen, we had 1 trade. I went in with 7 contracts, 7 minis. Almost passed the account. I could have passed it, but I was a chicken again. But I made $2,600. So this was great. I still have more BULENOX accounts for today. I'm gonna leave some for Methodical Man stream as well. And I'll try to YOLO. Maybe I buy one more. By the way, if you guys are interested, BULENOX accounts today are super cheap. The 50Ks. You can use my link, or also Methodical Man has links and codes too, whatever you choose. $17.50 for a 50K evaluation account, but only for the first month. That I didn't know that, by the way, but only for the first month it's $17.50. So I bought a few. I might even buy more, and I'm just gonna go all in, and let's see what we're gonna do. This account I'm gonna put away, but I still have some more. So and I buy more. So this is Friday.
I don't have a trade day account. Sorry to interrupt.
No problem. Yeah. Just go on.
I don't have a trade day, but I have TOPSTEP, Apex, BULENOX. Who else we got? Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures. So
yeah. So yesterday I made a review video about My Funded Futures. By the way, almost forgot. There's going to be a giveaway. My Funded Futures was very generous about this, and they just said they're going to help me out with the giveaway. I think Methodical Man will be having an opportunity soon as well, because they checked my channel, and the support guy said that they like what I do, and they're going to help me out with the 50K account giveaway, which is going to be like, I'm going to put on a video. So that's why I subscribe to the channel. I'm going to put out a video about the giveaway. There's going to be a Google Sheets there. You're just going to add your email and name, something like that. And there's going to be a wheel spin or something next Monday or Tuesday. And you can have a code for a 50K My Funded Futures account. That's it, basically. That was the announcement. So make sure to subscribe.
Healthy Trades Breakers. I like it.
Another $2 just to listen to the money. Another $2. Thank you, Nascalp God. Thank you so much again. Let me give you an applause before the money song comes in again. Thank you again for the support. Thank you. I'm very happy that you guys are all in here. I never had more viewers than what I see now is 73 viewers. Never had 73 viewers in my live streams, never ever before. So thank you so much for that. I couldn't even catch up.
It's $148 activation fee on the 50K for BULENOX. If you're asking about BULENOX there, I think.
Yeah. What is the activation?
I am tempted to short.
Yeah, sure. You try to short. Show the activation fee. BULENOX is Thank you so much again for the dono. So the activation fee is $148. I think at BULENOX, but the only down thing at BULENOX, which is insane, I think it's a little bit too much. But the 50K and the 25K accounts are absolutely good industry standard. So everybody, TOPSTEP has 149, My Funded Futures has 149. And by the way, if any of you guys are comfortable in your trading style, I would say that the best option for you is My Funded Futures. I have a code which gives you a... Actually, no, it doesn't give you. The expert account, my code only gives you a 5% discount, but 20% reset for the expert account. But anyway, the expert account is the best option for the true cost of funding. You can buy an expert account with discount for like $150 something, and it includes the activation fee. So that's the best deal.
Yeah. Joke when OB's inside of an IFEG, yeah, that certainly give you more conviction in the trade. One thing that I have back tested, I did a little back testing session on it last Saturday or Sunday, is fair value gaps left after. So during the inverse, if it leaves a fair value gap, I did a little back test session on it. It was running at about a not as high win percentage, I think 76% on that single session that I did. But it's interesting to look at different things after the IFEG, kind of get a little extra confirmation. Do you think this thing's about to sell off? I'm kind of getting that feeling.
Self-proclaimed gambler just accidentally bought the account with the coupon. Thank you. That used to happen with me too. Accidentally, I buy accounts sometimes. Yeah.
Actually, you know what?
I accidentally used to buy accounts. So I'm just saying we have a lot of... Something happened. Methodical Man is entering, I think. Let me check his... By the way, I have his screen here, but I mean, I see what he's doing, and he's doing something.
You're not supposed to be saying my gambling moves here. he's giving away my gambling moves.
No, he's not doing anything. He's playing on the paper trading accounts. He's demo playing, nothing else. So don't worry about that. Okay, so
I'm chasing.
That's what
he's equal highs there.
That's what he's doing. Never mind. You didn't see that. And I can't zoom it out because this is like 720p and I don't see more on his screen, but I don't know what he's doing. But what is he doing? Are you short?
No, I'm chasing those equal highs.
Oh yeah.
28.
So Methodical Man is chasing equal highs. Okay. I don't have the slightest clue what he's doing there, but yeah, he's long. No, it really is. That's
no bueno.
All right, I'm gonna
get punished here.
I'm gonna put you back to hindsight here. There you go.
Oh, I'm not on paper account.
No, he's not. He's a real deal. He actually, there's no jokes. It's serious. He's managing 31 or something funded accounts. So
all right, stops at break even. Should punch right through there if it's going to.
All right, now I have to stops at break even. He says, "Let's go."
Come on, it one ticked me.
Stop you out?
No, it one ticked me for my TP.
Damn it! I have to bring you back here. All right, full screen.
Come on, go.
Let's put in full screen. That's what he's doing right now.
Just a scalp, but
no,
you dirty girl, stop me out. All right.
All right. All right.
I had to move the stop to break even there because it's just a chase. But
no.
It's just a chase. Yeah, that's what I just saw, Joaquin. Yeah, equal highs. I was taking the long.
Sami Alia, hey there. And by the way, guys, I'm sorry if I couldn't really catch up with the text messages. I do love that many of you guys are writing here, and I'm just super excited. And but welcome everyone to the stream, and thank you for joining. Please subscribe. There are gonna be giveaways next week. Don't miss out the video about how to enter. And check out Methodical Man's stream. He's not streaming now, but he's gonna be streaming in New York. This is his channel. He's the guest of honor today, celebrity in the stream. So,
and now it hit. You know it. You know I shouldn't have moved my stuff. I knew I shouldn't have moved it. Come
oh
on,
man,
what
look
are
at
we
that!
doing?
It went up there. I think the 40 level should be taken out. That's what I think. I mean, no personal guarantee because I have no more money, but the 40 level is definitely in the crosshairs. I think the 340.
All right, Naz Scalp God is definitely Naz the Dragon.
Yeah, Naz.
That's Naz the Dragon, right?
That's I don't know. Are you Naz the Dragon? Naz Scalp God?
That's got to be. That's got to be Naz the
he
Dragon.
He has almost the same name. I don't know. Tom, I got you. Go dual 15 account and one Heiken. Oh yeah, that because you're with Heikenashi candles.
Yeah, that's got to be Naz the Dragon.
That's Naz the Dragon. Yeah, we all know that. Oh yeah. You know.
He knows.
But you know, just for like you were so kind and nice, I'm gonna look into Heikenashi, but right now not on this stream. But I know, of course, I know what it's about, but I never really used Heikenashi. I mean, it's good for you know, predicting some trend or see how strong the trend is, how long can it go, but that's a different thing to go with Heikenashi candles. I don't really know.
Yeah, I've used it before.
You used it before?
Yeah, it's been a while, but I used it before.
I actually never knew a trader in person or online, whatever, who actually were day trading with Heikenashi candles. I don't know.
What does Trading with Travis use?
Yeah, really? Okay.
I don't know. What does Trading with Travis uses? He uses either Heikenashi or what's the other one? I don't know. I'm sure somebody in the chat knows. What is the other ones? Drawing a blank. I don't know. I can't remember. We hit the order block from yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Pretty deep into that order block, though. Oh, you're talking about this one up here. Okay, I see what you're talking about.
But hold on a second. I can put you on here full screen. There you go. Now you can take over.
No.
No, really. I mean, I'm not doing anything here. I'm just sitting back. You know, I'm just listening.
There it is. Sasa knows. Rinko. That's the other one.
Renko. There you go. Rinko. I don't know. Yeah, Rinko. So this is how Methodical Man trades. He's drawing boxes for any unknown reason, not sure why, and for what the purpose, I don't know. But he likes to draw boxes, and that's his thing. That's how he does it.
Yeah. So there's just fair value gaps. So the upper one is just the 15-minute gap that we tapped into, and then the lower one's a 3-minute. So you see we're just being held down by the 15. And so if we inverse the 3-minute, so the idea for the IFVG is they're stronger when they deliver from a fair value gap. So if it holds the 15 and versus the 3, then that's a pretty strong indication that, you know, maybe we're going down to this wick. So that's just kind of how I do it.
Oh, hey, hello, Teacher FX. Yeah, no YOLOing today.
No more YOLOing.
Only a few more accounts, guys. Only a few more. I bought 3 accounts, but I'm going to buy 1 more. And we're going to YOLO these accounts. I have no trade entry for now. That's why I'm waiting. But Methodical Man has some plan, I hope. I don't know.
I'm just looking for shorts, really. The only reason I took that long was just because the equal highs on the 1 minute. We kind of held this small fair value gap. So I took that, knowing pretty confident that these were going to hit. Unfortunately, we didn't get the full take profit there. It was only 4 points, but still.
I don't know, man. I still feel like the 340 level is the draw on liquidity, I think. But, you know, you should break the... Well, If you break this 312 level there, that swing low, then it can go down. But I would wait for the break of that level. I don't know.
Are we above the 1 hour? Let's see. Yeah, I mean, we could inverse the 1 hour here. That's a good point, Jacqueline. So how much time do we have left on this? And I won't be taking a trade after 4. So yeah, if we do inverse this 1 hour, then we probably are going to the all-time highs, and the 4 hour kind of in an order block there. But the thing is, we could still inverse this and still pull back and take out the, the Asia lows anyway, but don't expect that to happen. I guess if we do close above that, we'll see there. Like I said, I'm normally very zoomed in London. That's the way I trade it. I don't look at the higher time frames for my draws. I just kind of use the Asia low, Asia high, and very, very zoomed in. But you are right.
Yeah. So
we'll see what happens.
We'll see what happens here. Let me check what's going on here. Yeah, so pretty much narrowed down here. On the 1 minute, we have these 2 candles with flat tops, no wick up there. That's usually a sign that price would usually go back up there and make some move. I'm still feeling that we are going towards the 340, but I have no entry setup or anything like that to enter. But I think it can also go down, of course, here. Maybe dip lower. I'm not sure. If it would make a displacement, of course, with the structure shift, then yeah, I guess then we can go further down.
I'd be okay with a long if we trade back into that 308 area.
30, yeah.
Give me some sort of IFVG out of that.
Yeah.
I think that would be okay.
Yeah, that would be fine. What? You paid 175 instead of 17.5. Will BULENOX honor refund or reimburse? But you should. Did you not put in the code? There is a code like TOPSTEP1, or you can use Methodical Man's code, because there's a coupon code section there. Self-proclaimed gambler. You have to put a coupon code there, and you will see a check mark when it's accepting, and the price is changing at the checkout page. You should see $17, $17.50, not 175. So maybe you were a little bit too quick there. I don't know. Maybe, I mean, you should.
Yeah, self-proclaimed. Reach out to them. BULENOX has really good customer service.
Yeah, they are.
I haven't had no problems with them, so
maybe reach
out. I think they'll take care of you.
Yeah. Because it's fresh, you should raise a ticket with them. They will help you out, I think. But always make sure at the checkout page that the coupon code, it changed the final price. So I know it's just one comma sign there, or one dot there. I know it's if you're quick you can't see it, but it should give you the discount. So make sure before you purchase the account that the price is $17.50. The code should be working. Let me check it. It should be working. Because they're not open.
So we got less than 2 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. Let's see if we can close above 38 here or not.
Yeah, the codes are still active. So reach out to them.
Is anybody trading the non-farm payroll today? Are you guys waiting? I don't know. Does anybody have rules where you don't trade non-farm payroll days or anything like that?
Yes.
I'll be trading it.
Yeah, me too. I'm gambling everything. So not everything. I'm not going to trade my micro accounts, which I'm copy trading, but these accounts I'm gonna gamble away for sure. That I just bought.
We got 8 seconds on this candle. Let's see if we can get above 36, 37. Looks like it's maybe do it.
Yeah.
No, wasn't able to quite
it
get
will.
there.
It will. 340 is gonna get hit, I think. I didn't have an entry here. Even down here, 22. I'm just measuring if I could have made an entry here to YOLO this, but that's just gonna give me FOMO. So, oh man, with 7 contracts, I could have entered here. With 7 contracts, I had the space to do it, but it's fine. We're gonna have much better liquidity.
I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know, Khalid, why people put more weight on the non-farm payroll. I guess the price action on non-farm payroll Fridays is what they talk about. I will say, I think the last non-farm payroll, I had a bad day. I don't think I was red, but it was I think it was a tough day. So we'll see what price action offers us. I will be careful today. So but if you are going to full send some evals, I don't think 8:30 a.m. Eastern is a bad time to do it.
Yeah.
Somebody asked where the all-time high is. It's around 378, so we're only like 30 points away, 36.
Yeah, 377.75 is the all-time historical high. Yesterday's high is at 360, so it definitely seems like we're going for the 360. And by the way, let me just try this BULENOX account. I mean this code with Methodical Man's code here. I'm just gonna show you guys. So if you're on the account sign up page where I am right now, it says $175 for the 50k account. So you enter the code and it should be changing like this to 17.50 cents. So yeah, anyway,
I'm going to interject there for just 1 minute. Just be careful, guys, because the ES just made a new all-time high.
Oh, really? There you go. ES. Oh my God, really? ES is deep space again with the Enterprise, but I don't have the Enterprise here. Oh my God, we're going higher on ES. Nasdaq should be following, taking out yesterday's high. If anybody wants to gamble, we're going for yesterday's high at 60.
When they don't offer trade of 8, it's only rhythmic.
Yeah, it's the only rhythmic at BULENOX. You can trade NinjaTrader, Quantower, so far I think it's good.
Is her name Jacqueline? I think I might have been saying her name wrong.
Or Joaquin, like Joaquin Phoenix, like the actor.
Yeah, that's true too.
I don't know.
I haven't seen Trader Oracle in here this morning. His dogs must have not woke him up to tell him out.
Yeah.
Yeah, just sometimes with the ES, you got a little bit of an SMT here with the ES. We'll see if Nasdaq pushes through, if it means anything. But there is an SMT right now. Still think we go, but just want to put it out there.
Yeah, I think we should go. But yeah, I'm still concerned. For example, on the ES, if you go to the 1 hour chart on ES, you're seeing almost the same kind of long wick bullish pin bar candle after the Joaquin. Okay, Spanish is pronounced Joaquin. Okay, Joaquin. Okay, Joaquin. Nice. So on ES, there's also a bullish pin bar, and these pin bars are magnets, I think. So it can be a huge sell-off, taking out the wick of this candle from yesterday. So be careful on these levels. We don't know how high this can pull NQ with it, or NQ is just going to turn around here and just dump. We don't know. So as Methodical Man said, SMT divergence can kick in any moment, and the weaker market, which in case right now is Nasdaq, should just tank all the way down. To be careful. Hey there, Boyax.
Man, I butchered that name pretty badly. Watt Mile to the rescue with a proper pronunciation. You could have passed that account twice, I think.
You think so? I think so too. Yeah. I think so too. I don't even tell me about it. That huge FOMO.
Just stick the needle in.
The final nail to the coffin. Yeah. Actually, I could have done that. So, oh, guys. Yeah. So this account, if someone just jumps in, we made $2,600 profit with full size 7 contracts on this one. And Methodical Man was shouting at me. He was screaming. He was absolutely out of his mind that you should put your TP at 1250. And I said, no, I think I'm just going to play safe. And I could have passed the account, but I didn't.
Mine was at 18 and I passed.
Oh, there you go. His was at 18. And I said, no, I'm a chicken. I'm not going to do that. No. So I put my TP much lower and I still need 400. But I'm going to put this account away. I still have more accounts, fresh 50K accounts from BULENOX. So yeah, I'm gonna YOLO those accounts.
All right, so Joaquin, so what is your real name then? And I don't know how to pronounce that either. Yoma? Yoma.
Yoma, hey, hello. Camille, hey there. No, it's just the charming voice of Methodical Man. You know.
You're saying that you have a high-pitched voice.
That's what they say?
Very, very, very high-pitched voice.
Who says that?
Well, Camille said they thought that you had a sex change.
Oh, yeah, so you, okay, all right. And the other day you guys said that it's for adult content when I changed my voice to, you know, oh yeah, come on. You know, when I said like, come on, Nasdaq, I know you want it. Go down, baby.
Oh my God.
Yeah, and that's not good. So what? Fortunately, I did put out that this is adult content, so that's it.
Pac-Man's in the house. Thank you.
You guys together are pretty entertaining. Do more of this. Even you guys are in your own stream. Keep talking together is pretty good. There you go, Pac-Man. There you go. That's what we're gonna. That's why what I'm gonna do this afternoon, this morning actually. Check out Methodical Man's stream. He's gonna be live streaming New York session, and this is his. Oh, this is not his channel. I almost pasted a website which I don't know. I don't want you guys to check because it's adult content.
Keep that private. Keep that website private.
Yeah, it's adult content, so I don't want them. So what I'm going to do this beautiful day is I'm going to also check into Methodical Man's live stream later in the New York session, and I'll do everything in my power to mess up his trading mindset. So that's the goal.
It's tough to do, Tom.
I try my best, you know. As long, you know, whatever he does, I'm gonna mess up his thinking process. He has too many funded accounts. I have only 2. He has like 30 something, 31, 35, I don't know. I'm gonna make him lose a few of those because it's annoying. it annoys me that he's better than me, and I have to do something about it.
I don't know.
Yeah, so I have to do something.
I don't know about all that, Tom.
Yeah, I know. Don't
I
worry.
think I might be taking a short here, Tom.
Okay, he's taking a
Close
short.
below on the 2 minute. If we close below on the 2 minute, I'm going to take the short.
Okay, you know the drill, guys. Everybody fades. Methodical man, go long here, right?
I'm
go
going to
long.
get my face ripped off, but we'll take it.
Yeah, go long, everyone. It's official. He's short. Just go long.
No, I'm not short yet. I'm not short yet.
Oh, hold on, guys. Don't push the button. Wait until he really goes in.
The 2 minute has to close below.
What is he doing? I see his screen. I'm gonna put him out here once more. He's a little bit shy.
Yes, Frank.
He's a little bit shy to show his camera because he's sitting in his pajamas right now. And
don't fade Nas. Uh-oh. I fade Nas every day. We are always in opposite trades.
Yeah, that's the deal.
Order filled.
Oh no, he
All right,
look at what he did. Look at what he did.
I forgot about the retest. I was supposed to wait for the retest.
Okay, so you know the drill, guys. Everybody go long.
Go long, duck dong.
Don't tell me I didn't told you so. That's Methodical Man's TOPSTEP X.
Very aggressive.
You're very aggressive. You are very aggressive, man. You are very aggressive. This is an aggressive trade, but I do like it.
Perfect face for radio, Robert. You're right.
Yeah. Contra trading is actually long, so contra trading is long.
I mean, you know, it can go one of two ways, right? There's two options.
Oh, yeah, that's true. That's 100%. It's gonna go up or down. I'm sure about that. I'm perfectly sure.
Well, we have the SMT divergence. We've already ran a lot of liquidity to the upside. Yes, there are all-time highs up there, but you know, we'll see what happens.
You know, I'm still saying 360. So, but I guess I don't know. It's too tough right now. We're still before 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time.
Yes.
Okay.
3 minutes.
Okay, so technically until 5 a.m. anything can happen. But you know,
a stop will go to break even at 328 if we can get there.
I'm flat, you know, just saying. I'm gonna make sure when Methodical Man is almost reaching his take profit, I'm gonna go long right there. No.
If we get that far down now, we'll see. Who knows?
Yeah, who knows?
This is, like I said, this is a little bit.
No, but in all seriousness, I think this one can turn out good. If this one is a healthy pullback, then your TP should be okay. We need a healthy.
I like
pullback.
to target wicks inside fair value gaps.
Mm-hmm,
That's a nice area for me. I like to target those. So
yeah.
But we could get that 40 if we're not out of the trade by like 402, 403. That macro could turn on and just rip our face off here. But hopefully we'll have a break even stop in by then.
Yeah.
So like I said, break even stop's going to be basically 28, 75, 29 area. Then we'll break even stop. So
Look at that. Look at that. Okay. We might be seeing some action.
I want to see some expansion below 28.75.
I think you will see that. Actually,
all right, there we are. Break even stop.
There you go.
So can't lose.
There you go.
2 ticks here.
There you go, baby. Come on.
Contra's out.
Oh, Contra. I know sometimes it's difficult to fade Methodical Man, but not this one.
Let's got to stop to break even. Let's go. You can't fade Methodical. Come on,
you can. This is house money from now on, guys. So
I like to target 250 per account near in London. So this would get us to where we need to be for our profit target. If we can let it hit here, we may trail it down here once we get past those equal lows at 20.
So
go ahead and move the stop to the
oh,
top.
Look
of
at that!
last
Look
candle.
at that! How beautiful, beautiful.
So if we can just push through 20 here, I'm going to move it down to the top of that previous candle. Bit of an aggressive move if we get below there, but I would rather lock in than not. Should expand right through
Nice.
there.
It has now. I think I'm very confident that it should go to your TP, but be careful.
Right, now we're going to lock in 240 here. So this will be 240 across 4 accounts there. So
that's already a winner.
Risk free, profits locked in.
There you go.
Let's get the 313s.
There you go. There you go. I like it.
Tom, I think you could have passed an account right here. Just saying.
Oh my god. Oh my god. It's
3 times, Tom.
Yeah. Today I could have passed at least 3 times these accounts. Ah, man.
Just stick it in there. Just get the needle in.
Oh yeah, look at that. He's gonna go for that TP. Look at this, man. Look at this. Oh my god. By the way, we still have time for the commercial. BULENOX, you can see the codes, is still working $17.50. There you go.
Let's go.
Congratulations there. Beautiful trade.
You can see we can show the P&L time if you want to pull it down. You can see this is across 4 evals. I think we might have passed one. Let me see. Oh, dude, we're like we're $40 away from passing right there on this one.
Oh my god. Yeah, Tess, this guy is good. Yeah, that's the problem. So no, it's not. He has a different methodical man. He likes to trade the inversion gaps, as far as I understand. Yeah. So he likes those. That's his main direction in trading, entry model wise. So he does it very good. Yeah. It does it very
Congratulations, guys. Congratulations on all the W's.
All the W's, congratulations. And so, guys, it's still working today. The BULENOX codes are active, 90% off. I don't know for how long. BULENOX is usually changing the codes every 24 hours. So yeah. What is happening? $2 again. Nasdaq, thank you so much. GG Myth. Oh no, money. Thank you so much for the dono there. Nascalp God, nice. Thank you.
Like to wait for the confirmation, Nascalp God. You know it. Got to wait for that confirmation. There's still money to be made once you get the confirmation.
Yeah.
So we're only $40 away from passing this one TOPSTEP X account. And I think the others are probably going to be like 1,000 away. They're like 1,200 on the other 3.
And I still have 2 BULENOX accounts to blow away. So if I would have just followed Methodical Man, I would be funded with at least 2 more accounts. So there you go.
Trace after the inversion there. And we'll watch it and see how it plays out. I'm not going to take it. So basically, you would target a 1-to-1 out of this gap and see how that would work out. So we can kind of look at it and read it, but.
So let me check what's happening. My charts are much more boring. Methodical Man has so much action, and I'm just waiting. So. The other day, someone said to me on chat, "Are you the guy who just talks and never takes any trades?" And I said, "Yeah, I'm the one. Yeah, I'm doing that." So
Tom said, "Yeah, that's me."
Yeah, that's me. Are you the guy who only just analyzing the markets but never takes any trades? And I said, "Yeah, no, I'm that guy." Yeah. If you want to see some action,
I think that you've. I think Tom's gotten much more aggressive.
When? Not today.
Well, I'm just saying, compared to like when I first started watching you, you take a lot more trades now. Yoma, I've been trading for 14 months. 14 months.
And he already has dozens of funded accounts, which is true actually. So he's really, I think, I mean, what Methodical Man does, he's trading much more aggressively. I mean, more actively, more aggressively. I mean, how much trades you take in a session? You take like 4 or 5 trades at least, right, or more?
London usually 2. New York is probably going to be around usually 10-ish trades.
There you go. New York, he is like he's printing money in New York, basically 10 trades. So much more action packed than what I do here. I'm just usually sit here, eat a cookie or something, and wait for a trade for 4 hours. That's what I do.
Eat an $18 cookie.
$18 cookie, and I'm just sitting, eating chocolate and cookies, and waiting for one trade for 4 hours. So definitely more action at Methodical Man, but he trades differently than I do.
Well, there's no right or wrong way. Right?
Yeah.
If you're successful, that's all that matters. So far, it's kind of respecting that gap. If it gets back below the swing, then that would be your break-even stop on that.
Mm-hmm.
I'm interested to do more back testing on this, the gaps below inversions. They seem pretty decent.
Yeah.
You've been trading 2 years, spent 1.5 years with some BS, trading ICT since June. Yeah, I've only been on the IFVG for a few months too, Yoma. It's very easy to understand in it. It fits my personality with the ability to move the stop quickly at a logical spot. It's helped me because that was one of the things I really struggle with, moving the stop too quickly. So ES is kind of at a little support level here, 167. It's kind of bouncing off there, basing.
Yeah. It's what I would like to see for my kind of entry is let me draw it out. What I would like to see, I'd like to see a market structure shift on these highs up here, like a bullish shift here with the displacement, and so that will look like something like this, and target the previous day high and then maybe historical highs. And I would be looking for a fair value gap somewhere in this area. So I still have to wait until my entry plays out, but this is what I'm looking for. Right now I have nothing else to plan here.
So I will say, if you're watching the 3-minute chart right now, we did hit the OTE of this leg. Let me
put you back here, and then the guys will see you. Oh, hold on. What am I doing here? There you go. Now they can see you.
No, but all I'm saying is if you fib this leg, just from this swing to this high, so this pullback, we did hit OTE there. And so we're holding this 3-minute. So if we inverse this 3-minute, you can pretty well be certain that we're going back to the high. We also inverse the 1 hour that Yoma mentioned a few minutes ago. I think it was Yoma. And so, yeah, that would be an idea kind of for a long, actually, I think the 2-minute was the cleanest. Yeah, 2-minute is the cleanest. And the reason I would use the 2-minute over the 1-minute or the 3-minute is because there's only a singular fair value gap in this leg. There's a small one up here, but it's not even noticeable. So if we inverse this, you can be pretty certain we're going back to this high, maybe even to all-time highs. It would be logical for that to happen, in my opinion.
Yeah, so you guys now know what not to do. That's it.
Exactly. Whoever faded me on that last trade, I apologize.
But actually, it's very good how you put these inversion gaps into place, because I think I should look into IFVGs more, because
the win rate is so high, Tom.
Like, yeah, I mean, I see the reaction
so often.
Yeah, I see that the price is really reacting quite good on these IFVGs. I studied them recently, so you're doing something good here. So I mean, definitely.
That's the thing. Even when you, and like I take half my position off at the internal liquidity. So usually when I go break even, I take half the position off. You guys didn't see me do it there on that last trade because I only use one contract. But usually I go 2 contracts or 5 micros, and I'll take half off at the internal liquidity and then let the rest ride. That almost guarantees you're at least making money on every trade. So.
Yeah. So I'm confident I'm gonna be diving more into IFVGs. But yeah, it's really amazing how price reacts on those levels. So
the only thing that I would say that I don't like about it is how liquid your stop has to kind of be fluid as far as like it's a close above or a close below. So if you measure out the gap, say 25 to 32, this is only 7 handles. But you can almost double that. You can say, well, my stop is really 14 handles. So when you're thinking about in terms of risk to reward, you have to kind of double the gap there because there, in order for the candle to close to stop you out, you have to wait for the candle to close above the gap. That could be 7, 8, 9 handles above. So you have to kind of consider that.
Yeah.
So nice job, Khalid.
Oh, very nice, Khalid. Nice. 33 points. Cool. If anyone is new on the
how
stream,
long do you normally stream in London?
Well, it differs because sometimes so recently I did that from the London Open from 3 a.m. to around 5 a.m. But recently I started from around 2 a.m. But I usually always stay here at least around 5 a.m. until the end of the kill zone. Depends on how the conversations are going, how the setups are going. So if the market goes out flat and no entries and there's nothing to wait for, I just dip off around 5 a.m. But
right,
yeah, usually try to wait until the end of the kill zone. But let me know if you're sleepy. You can go back to bed.
Yeah, I'll probably be dipping out in a few minutes.
Yeah,
I got to take the kids to school at 6:45. That comes pretty quick.
Oh yeah. You need some rest, man, because it's middle of the night for you right now.
Yeah, it's all good. Like I said, since we did hit OTE here, I do kind of expect this thing to move back up. We did inverse the 1 hour to the upside, so we'll see if it moves back up. I don't know that I'll participate in this next move.
Yeah.
Although we do only need $40 on this one account.
Well, you can also do it in New York, I will say this: if I see my entry pan out in the rest of the time until the kill zone goes, I might go with a fresh account for the previous day high. That's what I'm looking to do here, but I want to wait.
Previous day high was what, 60? Let me look.
60, yeah, it was 60, 360.
Yeah.
So I'm waiting for that. All I need is a fair value gap, and I'm in. So
are we full sending 7 Connies, or what are we doing?
Yeah, something like that. What I'm looking for, maybe I don't even need 7, just to make sure that I'm not gonna be trailed out soon with the stop. Let me see if I would enter there with a 1 to 2 risk to reward. Yeah, I mean 4 or 5 contracts would be enough for me to go in. 4 to 5 contracts. Maybe 4. I don't know. 4 mini contracts would do it for me. But I need the fair value gap to be in the 25, 28 area to do that. But it seems like it's going down more.
I'm kind of anticipating it holding this level too. So that's what I'm saying. Even though I'm bullish, there's still shorts to be had, right?
Oh, yeah.
That's always the way it is.
Yeah.
It is a little scary to short that close to all-time highs, but
the CL
setup presents itself. You got to do it.
Pac-Man says, do we trade the CL? Not usually. I didn't really track that in the London session. But I would like to trade the DAX or German index, but it's only possible at Apex, which I might gonna do. For $23 per month, you can subscribe to the data and you can trade it, but only Apex does it.
I've never traded the DAX either. I'm gonna look into other indices probably once I get secure a few payouts, then I'll look into other indices. Until then, I kind of want to just stick.
Yeah, that's
to what we're doing.
Absolutely, yeah.
We'll see here what we got. If this thing will hold here or not. I thought about setting my take profit just to $40 and taking another scalp.
Yeah, let's see.
You guys know how that can turn out, though, right?
Of course, of course,
it can always turn out the other way.
Of course, we're waiting for the action. Do what you have to do, and we're just gonna follow you.
This thing's trading a lot deeper than I kind of thought it would there. I don't know. There is some low resistance liquidity below. It might want to come take some of this out.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised.
See if we close below on that 2 minute there. But I don't know. Feels like we hold it, but who knows? Tom, here's your 1 minute setup. Very, very tiny.
What?
Very small gap. Very small gap here.
Ah, damn it. You're right. I have to go check on my charts. You're right. There's my setup right there.
Very tiny gap.
Yeah, it's not something I really like, but
I wouldn't take it either.
It can drop actually because we're in daily premium and we can just retest these midnight levels, but I don't know, man.
I was talking about for long.
For long. I'm talking about No, really, let's see.
What short?
I'm talking about a short, man. Oh man.
Yeah, if we inverse that
5 contracts, there, right? 5 contracts, I can go short here. You guys want to see some action with 5 contracts? I can do that.
Not short, actually. Long duck dong.
Short, man, short. Come on, short. I don't know.
Scan your identification card in order to withdraw money. What? Oh, you just have to verify yourself, Sardar. That's all it is. So.
How do I do this? Is this the 5th? I can go 5 contracts short.
We said long, not short.
Short, man. Should I go short? Okay, let's decide because my finger is on the button right now. Short or long?
You do whatever you want to do. I'm saying we at least push up to 25 here.
My finger is on the button right now, guys. No, I'm not. No,
go.
This move was enough for me not to participate in this. I was almost pushing the button right now. Almost. By the way, where are my charts here? I'm missing a chart. I don't know.
I'm methodical, man. I got a link up there somewhere. I don't know. Tom put it in there.
Oh yeah, let me put Methodical Man stream or YouTube channel. This is his YouTube channel. He streams every day. Also in London, most likely in New York. And he's the guest of. Oh, what are you doing, Methodical Man? I heard that you do something.
I'm trying to get my $40.
Are you short?
No, I'm long.
No, are you short? What are you doing, man?
I'm trying to get my $40.
All right, I'm in. I'm in.
Hey, wait, what are you in?
I am in.
No. All right, this doesn't look like it's going to work. This gap's such a small gap, but we'll see what happens. Getting ready to close it. Oh. What's she doing? She's going to be a dirty girl. Darn it. See, that's what happens when you try to get $40. Are we short time or what? Are you really going to do that? Look at that junk. I should have known. Such a small gap. And not yet. Oh, I should have.
I'm short. I'm short. Actually, I was just messing with the charts here, but I'm actually regretting to enter this short. It's a brand new account. This one here. I'm already down like a few $100s. Let me.
Just gave back $100, $120.
I'm messing up my charts here. What am I doing wrong?
Now it's going to run to my take profit, dirty girl. Vetty said, "Go short." What mile's going to go short?
So I'm short on this
got
one.
His finger on the button.
Oh, this one's going to take me out bad. But hey, I just buy more accounts. It's fine. One account is already
really long. We just put in a 1 minute OB.
Oh,
I don't know
man.
if I'm going to jump back in. Tom's going to shame me.
Nah, you can do whatever you like to do. I still have more accounts. What are you doing there?
Hey, I told you he's going to shame me.
What you doing there? Actually, I don't even know where this can go. What are my chances? I'm looking for this low down there, but I'm gonna get stopped out from this trade.
I'm trying to see how much I need to pass this account. I don't even know where I need to put it. Let's see.
This was not a smart move from me.
Oh, I tried to move my stop. Let's see.
Oh no, this one is gonna be bad.
Guys, I took a trade right there, and I ended up I'm still $24 away from passing. I didn't do the math right. Math is hard.
I'm telling you, just do the opposite what I do. You'll be fine.
Oh, you're all out there, Yoma. I mean, I think we go. I think we're going back to the highs. That 1 minute inversion, while it was small and it did close back below by 2 ticks, that was an okay. That's probably during London. I should just put my stop at the swing and leave it. But I didn't mind that.
So, do you think we're going to go back to the highs?
Tom, I told you long the entire time.
All right, you convinced me. Can I?
Listen. No, don't kill
what?
it.
I'm not killing it.
I could be wrong.
I'm leaving it. I'm leaving it.
Oh, okay.
I'm leaving.
Also, don't kill it based on what I say, because it could turn back down.
Yeah, but it's gonna take me out anyway. So it's I need only a few points, and I'm out from this one. I'm looking.
You need $40, Hatsfield? Man, I'm right there with you. I need $24, and I just try to scalp it. And now there's my money going right there.
Oh,
my math was off, though,
this one's going to take me.
I took that 120 loss. Yeah, there is a 2 minute here as well. You're right. We close above on the 2 minute, Tom. Yeah, you're in trouble.
This is not good. This is not looking that good. This is just going to take me out. Oh, you guys don't.
Here.
You
So
guys,
you're
yeah.
316. You would be up. Just gonna say you'd be up 18 points right now, Tom. What happened?
Yeah, I would be up.
Just gotta stick it in there for him a little bit. Yeah, I gotta get him.
I told you guys this is Gamble Friday. What else could you expect here? Yeah.
I can't believe I re-entered that trade and then left myself $24 short.
How is the ES looking, by the way? What is happening with the ES?
It bounced right off the 67 and it's back up to 70.
Okay.
Kind of stagnant.
So I just don't like what's happening here. But if it goes down, it should be taking out the 290 level for a retest. Also go down to some lows. So I'm not sure.
Actually,
All
did
in.
not close above on the. Actually, didn't close above on the 2-minute time, so you might be okay.
Well,
it was one tick away from closing above there.
Yeah. If anyone joins in, I already made an account to $2,600. Don't worry. BULENOX is giving you a 50K account for $17.50 today. So check it out. Links in the description. Use the codes if you are interested, but only for the first month. So this is a Gamble Friday, guys. And yeah. I bought a few accounts.
5-minute BPR. Yeah.
Make sure to subscribe and also check out Methodical Man's channel. He's going to be streaming in New York. This is his link. I just posted there, and he's our guest in the stream today. He's managing like 30-something funded accounts, trades and streams every day, and he already made, I don't know, a lot of profit today. So
we're up $500 across 4 accounts, and then we made $3,080 on that other account there.
All right, that's it for me. Goodbye, guys.
So whatever that is, $2,000 plus $3,000. That's $5,000 on not funded accounts. Those are evals.
I quit streaming. That's it. He made $5,000. This is just, he's killing the markets, guys. He's killing the markets. He's the Terminator.
Possible to be on the 2-minute. You actually are right there.
You know what? Now this
I
is.
want to enter this.
This is a long for me right here. By the way, this is something I would be considered to YOLO for the long.
I like the long here too, really.
Yeah. So I'm thinking to close down this trade, or I just leave this account as it is. But if I take a long on a different account, that's against the rules, right? So BULENOX can.
No, it's not against the rules. Not in eval.
Not in eval. Okay, then. Can I do that?
They don't care. Yeah.
Okay, then. 5 contracts long. There you go.
I mean, you could just blow them both, right?
So. Yeah, what can happen? I'm long 5 contracts here. So what can go wrong? And let's see. It should go to the 60s. Actually to 59.75. So I'm just all in. I'm all in on multiple accounts, guys. One account is short. One account is long. I'm going to buy new accounts as well. Let's see what's going to happen. I'm going to win either way. So this is going to be interesting. You know, one account is definitely going to the dumpster. That's 100% sure. And let's see what's going to happen. If we're going for yesterday's high, then I should be fine with at least one more account for today.
And I'm going to try to scalp my $30 here if I can get it.
Let's see.
Need 33.50 to get my $30.
My long entry is actually good for this target. But if it would like to tank...
Come on. No, we don't want to tank. We need it to go.
Yeah, we need it to go, actually, yeah.
Oh, come on, you dirty girl.
It can go.
Like 3 ticks from my take profit there, and then moving back down.
So there's 2
it's
scenarios.
Just a retest, though.
One scenario, if it wants to go for yesterday's high. Okay. And the other scenario is that it wants to retest the midnight levels and maybe take out the London lows. So it's really a coin flip from here. So I'm all in with 2 accounts, which of course I can lose both of these accounts. They just shake me out from the trades, but I have my reasons for both sides here. But again, that was the purpose of today's stream, to blow away some accounts, and I'm gonna buy more accounts for New York session as well.
Yeah, no close on the 3-minute yet, Yama, but the 2-minute did close above.
Order filled.
All right. We got it, guys. I think we just passed that other top step. $53,008. Let's go. So two
There you
past evals
go.
here in London. Yeah, 3 minute didn't close above yet. 2 minute and 1 minute both did. Actually, yeah, the 1 minute did. So no close above on the 3 minute yet. But 3 minute has more than one gap in the leg, so I do like the 2 minute better. Actually, that's weird. The 2 minute didn't close above. What was I on there? I guess I was on the 1 minute. My bad. You're right, Yoma. You are right. It did not close above. But either way, long or short, Tom should win. Hopefully.
I don't know what's gonna happen, guys. Now
yeah, leave equal highs.
I'm just confused, but you know.
Left equal highs there, Tom, at 334. So she's coming back. She's coming back to get those.
She's coming back. She's coming home. Come on. Or not.
So that puts us at $533 on 4 accounts. Nice.
I don't even know which account is this one. Is this the number 6? Yeah, this is number 6.
So, Tom, I guess I'm confused because at 5 contracts and 19 points, you're not going to pass.
No, I should be passing. Look at this. I'm gonna put it there to 59.75. Look at that. I'm gonna put it there again. 59.75. It says.
I mean,
It says
right?
2,890. Yeah, you're correct. $2,890. So I need it to go to 61. Actually, I need it to go.
Or you can just add 2 contracts.
Or I'm gonna do that later, maybe. I'm gonna stay with the 59.75 TP on this one, and we'll see.
All right. Well, I was just noticing that.
Yeah. If it starts to go strong, somewhere around the 340s, I might add 1 more contract because that would be more than enough for me to pass. If it goes strong, if it would be just consolidating and like goes up the stairs slowly, I'm not sure. I'm gonna give more room to it to move.
All right, well, guys and gals, I am out of here. Tom, thanks for having me.
Yeah,
Tom,
it's my pleasure.
Today at 9:15. If you want to check us out, Methodical Man, hit that like button for Tom. Subscribe
and follow Methodical Man too.
I will see you guys live at 9:15. We'll see Tom then too.
Yeah, thanks so much for being here, man.
Hey, Tom, we'll catch you later on.
All right, talk to you later. Cheers.
Bye.
And let's give a huge applause to Methodical Man to join the stream. Yeah, we're gonna do this on NFP, hopefully. I don't know. I'll try to. At least if Methodical Man is not gonna be on, I'll try to be on. So yeah, I'm still in these trades. At least one of these accounts are gonna get blown, so we'll see what happens. This is how it goes. I bought a few accounts from BULENOX. I'm gonna buy at least 2 more for Friday, and that's it for. I mean, that's gonna be it for today. We made 1 account. What happened here? Let me check it. Yeah, there is 1 account here. BULENOX. No, not this one. This one. Today we made $2,600 on 1 account, and I'm gonna be adding more to the list later. And the goal was to try to YOLO at least 1 or 2 accounts, and I'm not in the best position right now, but I have contradicting trades against each other on these accounts. So I'm long on this account and I'm short on this account, but as you can see, it's pretty high from each other. I can easily get shaken out on both of these accounts. So this is pure gambling today, what we're doing, but based on the entries, valid entry models. So that's what we are looking for. What did I do here? I don't know what I did. I'm missing a screen. Anyways, guys, still waiting. And if anyone is interested in BULENOX, they still have the 90% sale. Hey there, Trader Oracle, you missed the show. Methodical Man was here, live on stream. Tom, in a few words, can you share your trade strategy and your checklist of your rules for entering your A+? Sure. Francis is in gold. Sure. I'm gonna be real short in this, and I'm gonna find you an example. All right, maybe from, I think yesterday I had a good example in the London session. I think. Try to, at least. So what I'm looking for, no, which one was this? I'll try to look for, I'm gonna zoom it out if I can. No, I can't. I'll try to look for an A+ entry for you. A really, really good A+ entry. Come on, man. Powell was talking all week. Don't worry, couple of hours, I'm gonna be good with an A+ entry. It's like almost an A+ entry, but I can go with this. It's not like a super A+, but it's good. So what I'm looking to do is I trade in the kill zones. Let it be London kill zone or New York kill zone. So 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. or 7 a.m. to all the way until 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. What I'm looking for is the classic ICT U2 2022 model, which is basically the market structure shift. For example, here, bearish market structure shift at this point. I'm looking for a fair value gap to form. For example, right here. I want to see the RSI at least partially, so this is why it's not like a super A+. I like to see RSI going from bullish. It can be a stochastic too, by the way. You can use stochastic, RSI, whatever. I'm using it as an oscillator to see if the price is going from bullish to bearish. So for example, this curve here, this is much better. I like to see this curve when we're going to bearish territory. Here it almost happened, but not too perfect, but still, you know, it can be accepted. And then I just enter on the retest of the optimal fair value gap. Most likely, sorry, I'm putting the, oh, come on, I hate when it does that. I just put the stop loss here, take profit there, at least 1 to 2, and that's it. The exponential moving averages are actually the 180 and the 34, but I always play around with these numbers, so it's not finalized. I just want to see a trend. That's what I'm using the EMAs for. I want to see a trend. I want to see the EMA separating to confirm me with the trend, to confirm, use the oscillator. Actually, it's not an oscillator, but I use the RSI, or you can use the stochastic just to see price going back to bearish. Fair value gap, market structure shift, ICT, classic entry, boom. That's my optimal. And vice versa if you're going for long. That is my trading model in a nutshell, basically. That is how I do it. So, yeah. Unfortunately, one of the BULENOX accounts are, well, it's not looking good. Let's just say that. Almost at the stop out level, down $1,800. This account is up right now. What I'm looking for is the 59.75 area to be tagged. Okay, one BULENOX account is blown. This account, which was the 5th, this one has been blown with this move, so I'm out from that. And we are left with this one. No stop loss on this. Absolutely no stop loss. I'm just looking for it to go to 59.75. If it goes against me, so be it. We're going to be returning at the New York session for another try. We already made today, where is it? Today, one account already made it to $2,600. I'm not going to touch this because it's fine. I'm confident that in the next 1 or 2 weeks, I'm going to be able to pull this to be funded. So I'm leaving this account. This account has been blown right now. As you can see, I just blown this account. And the other account, this one, is in profit yet at this moment. Let's see how this goes. That is how we roll right now. So action-packed Friday, guys. Action-packed Friday. Is BULENOX on Ninja Trader? Oh, Yalma, thank you so much for being here. BULENOX is, yeah, it's with Rhythmic, so you can trade Ninja Trader, you can trade Quant Tower. I'm using Quant Tower because I'm copy trading between multiple prop firms as well. I have different groups for copy trading, and yeah. So they have two type of accounts. They have intraday and end of day trailing too. The intraday, the 90% discount only goes for the intraday trailing stop. So basically, the option 1 accounts are the same as Apex. Intraday trailing stop, $2,500 drawdown, which trails, of course, for the highest point. So, so yeah, that's it. That's how simple it is. Yeah, all-time high is close. I'm just looking for yesterday's high if it wants to go. If it stops me out, I'm gonna wait for NFP, and we'll see if I can do it with 1 more or 2 more accounts. So as you can see, actually the threshold is now locked into 48,579. So it does trail. And that's it. What can we do? It is what it is. But I'm just looking for yesterday's high with this trade. So nothing special here. Do you blow? No. My main BULENOX account. I don't even know which one is that. My main BULENOX account is this. There was one day, I think it was on Monday or Tuesday, when I had when I triggered the intraday stop level. So this is an end of day BULENOX account, but today I'm gonna add more today. I'm gonna buy more accounts for the New York session. Today I'm only trading the intraday trailing stop accounts. $17.50 for an account, but only for the first month. I totally forgot that yesterday. Only for the first month, guys. Only for the first month. $17.50. So yeah, my accounts which I'm doing the daily journal they're still on. They're still good, in good health. I'm not going to trade them in NFP, so that's why I thought, because BULENOX had this sale, I'm just gonna blow a few accounts. I mean, I bought 3. I'm gonna buy 2 or 3 more, and $17, guys. It's not that huge deal, especially if you get lucky and you get one funded, right? So good for education. Yeah, BULENOX. Hey, Supra. Yeah. BULENOX is a smaller prop firm. It's not that big as Apex or TOPSTEP. By the way, if any one of you guys are interested for good discounts, You can check my links below. My Funded Futures. If you use my code, you can get a 30% discount with My Funded Futures, and there's going to be a giveaway, a 50K account My Funded Futures giveaway on next Tuesday, most likely. I still haven't got the response from My Funded Futures. They're going to give the code. They're going to give an activation code. There's going to be a video out, so make sure to subscribe to the channel. There's going to be a video maybe today after the PM session or tomorrow on Saturday. I'm just waiting for My Funded Futures, and I'm going to be saying every detail about the giveaway. You just have to fill out your email and name, and there's going to be a wheel spin on the stream, and we're giving away a 50K account on the stream. It's very simple, no big deal. So make sure. Thank you so much, Dominic. Thank you, Dominic. Oh, my Methodical Man helped me out with a great deal in the past few weeks and months, because I got some very good advice from him. How should I trade and stream, and what should I do or whatnot. And he's very generous. And you know, without his help, I think I would be still somewhere in the 500s or 600s. But he did send quite a few people. I know many of you guys are from his channel, so I'm very grateful for that. So yeah, I'm still waiting for yesterday's high. The kill zone is technically still on, but I don't know if we're gonna get it or not. So let's see. Let's just see. Hold on, a quick phone call here. Sorry guys, just a quick phone call. So what's happening? Nothing. Okay. What is going on? So waiting for yesterday's high, and that's it. You know, but of course we still have the chance that this one could just dip lower and go for some lows here. I don't know, but it is what it is, you know. So we're just gonna wait this one out. All or nothing, guys. All or nothing. How heavy is the news today? It's gonna be super heavy. It's gonna be earthquake. I mean, I can show you what usually the NFP does with the Nasdaq. I'm gonna give you a quick a quick description what NFP is going to do. Let me show you. It's going to be interesting. This is what's NFP going to do, and this is, so we're going to go into New York, 8:30, boom, 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 boom. That's what's going to happen. Usually what NFP does is it takes out the lows, takes out the highs, takes out a lower low and goes for a higher high, or vice versa. It's typically a seek and destroy day. So be careful with that. Be very, very, very careful with that. That's what I can say. Unfortunately, the account, we got back to, yeah, almost back to drawdown. Locked into 48,620. Now it's not good. It's a lower threshold than I thought, but you know, if I lose this account, we're still going to give 2 or 3 more shots to it during the stream with Methodical Man. But that's it. I don't want to gamble more. I'm actually very happy that I have one account super close to being funded. So I'm very, very glad about that. Getting closer. Getting closer to those highs. Hopefully it will go. I might even add one more contract to it. Not sure. The 59.75 level. 59.75. Let's see. How far is that? 59.75. I might add one more contract. 59.75. Should I add one more contract here? I don't know. I think I'm gonna add one more contract. There. Added one more. So what I need here is for it to go to 58. If we go to 58, we pass the account with 6 contracts. If not, we're gonna do the same later on. It's better to not trade then. Yeah, it's better not to trade then. Only if you're gambling. I don't want to add more because if it starts to go against me suddenly, I want to give more room for this one. I just want to see it go for the yesterday high. That's all I want to see for now. If you know, if it's not going for it, it's gonna go against me anyways. So I just want to leave more wiggle room. Yesterday high was at 60, so I'm gonna be taking profit if it gets there at 58. And that's it. My trading threshold is locked in at $49,000, $49,047. So it's pretty tight. I'm gonna get stopped out by the broker. So that's why I don't have a stop loss. I don't have a stop loss here. It's all in. All in, guys. Just for the show, you know. We're all in. 6 mini contracts. You should never do that if you're new in trading. This is something you never do. If it starts to dip, then that's it. Then the account is blown anyway. But I don't have any other entries for now anyways, so I'm just gonna wait. I'm definitely going to wait. And now, unfortunately, it goes against me. Stack on the contracts, yeah. Now, if it goes a few points down, the account is blown anyway. So, yeah, already down to the 50K threshold here. Just a few points and it's out. So we need a really, really strong move for here to take us to 58. If it wants to do it, take out yesterday's high. If not, it's cool too. We're gonna be looking some more entries later, maybe. Looking like distribution. Well, or this is the manipulation phase, you know. That's the thing with the power of 3, you know. You have to make sure that if you're really on the right side or not, or in the right phase. For now, it looks like they might want to go for yesterday high, but it's very hard to tell. It's very hard. We don't need more. Just 14 points or something. So it's not impossible. It's not impossible, guys. Again, this is not the way to do regular day trading. On my micro accounts, I am risking tiny little small positions. So today it was just something a little bit of extra here. And you can still get those discounts if you use my link with BULENOX and use the code TOPSTEP1. It's still working. I'm just shorting at all the peaks for, oh yeah, 10 spot. Yeah, that's also a strategy. You know, that's also a way to go. Let's see. I think it's just it's getting weak at this point. I don't really like this, but I'm not gonna close this trade because I already melted my threshold here. So if it takes me out, we're just gonna do the same scenario in the New York session, guys. At least we have one account. Just use your code to sign up for BULENOX. Oh, you use my code. Oh, thank you so much, Samuel. Thank you. Really appreciate it. Support the stream. Huge applause. Thank you so much. Thank you. Also, guys, check out the other links too. By the way, if you want to participate in the giveaway, it's going to be at My Funded Futures next week. I think it's going to be on Tuesday, but I'm going to announce it on YouTube. And make sure to register through my link at My Funded Futures, and they're going to be giving out the activation code for the 50K account. But there's going to be a video about that. Although I don't know if it's mandatory to register from through my link, so if you don't do that, it's fine too. I have to talk with support again because they checked the stream. They said it's cool, and they would like to give away a 50K account. I'm gonna be joining his New York session. Yeah, so. I'm gonna be joining him. So my channel, I think I'm not gonna be having the stream open, most likely. I'm gonna be joining him on his Discord, and so I will be the guy in the background talking to him, all kind of crazy stuff, and making his trades all miserable. No, but yeah, I'll be on his stream. Yeah. I'll be on his stream. I don't know for how long, because he's usually streams much longer in New York than I am, but I'm gonna be there. We have different trading styles, but I mean, let me know, guys, if you enjoyed this stream that we were talking about stuff. If you guys liked the way we had this joint stream, if I may say so, then we can do it again if you guys liked it. So I think overall it was much more enjoyable. NFP from 8:30 US Eastern Standard Time. Yeah. I don't know if he's going to be live at 8:30. I forgot to ask him. Maybe. No, he didn't tell me. Oh, he didn't tell me that, but it's fine. Oh, somebody subscribed. Brian, hey there. Brian, thank you very much for the subscription. And huge applause. So if Methodical Man is not going to be on at 8:30, I'm not even sure if I'm going to be on, but I might open up my stream, and when he starts, I'm going to just go into his stream. You know, we'll think of something. Make sure to subscribe to everyone's channel and you will see us. It was really good. Thank you, Serdar. Yeah, man. All right. It was nice. Nice. Thank you, Wet. Thank you. Loved it. I think you guys work well together. Thank you. Thank you, Little Fish. Thank you. I could take 2 accounts. BULENOX just to blow them like you or past challenge. Yeah, you can do that. I actually bought 3 accounts this morning, and I'm gonna buy 3 more. I'm almost past 1 account, so I'm not gonna touch that because I'm confident I can pass it in next week. So I can show you. This was the account. No, hold on. So this account we made this morning $2,600. I was a chicken to close the trade because if I would have let it just go with 2 more extra points, I would have passed the account. But we are up $2,590. It's fine by me. I'm pretty confident that I should be passing this account. So I'm not going to touch this. I don't want to do anything stupid with it. I blown 1 account this morning. As you can see, it's down 2,500. And one more account here, but I'm going to be buying more for the New York session. So I'll buy at least 2 or 3 more. Whatever happens with this account, I don't know. But I'll buy with at least 2 or 3 more for the New York stream, and we'll see what happens. I don't know. For $17.50, I think it's no-brainer, especially if you get lucky and pass it. Does he trade Nasdaq or ES mini? He trades Nasdaq with minis and micros too. I'm not really sure. He has funded accounts, so on his funded accounts, of course, he trades micros, but on his evaluation accounts, I think he trades mostly with minis. 1 mini contract or 2, but he goes for the inversion fair value gaps most of the time. So that's his style, and yeah, that's how we do it. Oh no, this account is gonna get blown, guys. It's almost official. Yeah, if it breaks down just a few more points, we're gonna get blown here. Let me check. Yeah. You also have to join the live next time. Trader Oracle, yeah. It was cool. This account is almost blowing up, guys. It's almost finished. I think we're gonna get, yeah, there you go. Account has blown officially. So 3 accounts, 1 account almost passed, got blown with 2 accounts. So, but at least this one we made $2,600. I'm gonna be adding more accounts for the New York session, and we'll see. You know, we'll see how it goes. Let me check what this one will do here. And anyway, the session, the kill zone is over anyways, so I think we cannot do anything more. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I will do. So thank you so much for watching. Everyone was great. Please subscribe. Make sure to push the like. We're gonna be gambling away. I'm gonna be gambling away at least 2 or 3 accounts in the New York session. That's not how I trade, you know, guys, but it's a huge sale right now. So thanks again for being here. Make sure to subscribe, push the like buttons, use the codes for discounts, and see you in Methodical Man stream. Or if he's not on, maybe I will open mine sooner. Anyway, we'll be on. So thanks again, and cheers everyone. It was a great stream. I really enjoyed it. Hey everyone.